If your business feels stuck, it's probably not because of your product. It's not because of your team. And it's definitely not because you're not working hard enough. It's because your business is running on chaos, not systems. You're relying on memory, verbal instructions, and winging it. And if you take one step back, everything grinds to a halt.
I'm sorry, Earth is closed today.
In this video, I'll show you how to fix that by walking you step by step through how to systemize your business so it runs like an automated factory. Let's jump in. Now, winging it might work in the early days, but at some point it becomes the bottleneck. You become the bottleneck. You're the one answering the same questions, fixing the same mistakes, and doing work your team should be able to handle. But they can't because there's nothing documented, roles are unclear, and you're making it up as you go. That's not a business. That's a job you built for yourself. Let's fix that. Here's the truth. A lot of business owners try to fix this by going extreme. They build massive diagrams with hundreds of steps, hire someone to systemize everything, or overcomplicate simple tasks with bloated tools. And others believe you can't systemize creative work, so they just avoid it entirely. Newsflash, systemization doesn't have to be complex. It has to be clear. That's it. And to make it easy, I'm going to walk you through a real scenario and break it down step by step. Let's say you run a digital marketing agency. Every time you get a new client, you have to onboard them, collect their brand assets, set up tools, introduce them to the team, schedule the kickoff call. But right now, every new client onboarding is chaos. Some steps get skipped, some clients wait days before they hear from anyone. And you're the only one who knows the full process. Let's walk through how to systemize this so it works every time without you. Step 1. Identify what needs a system. Ask yourself, if I didn't show up tomorrow, would this still get done? If the answer is no, it needs a system. In our agency example, the onboarding process is critical, but it's also fragile. It depends on your memory. No one else can run it without you. That's your red flag. Start here. Step 2. Break it down into systems, processes, and tasks. Here's where we add structure. Think of the system as the container, client onboarding. Inside that system, you have processes. Each one is a phase. Collect client information, set up internal tools, schedule the kickoff call. Each process is made up of tasks, specific actions assigned to people with deadlines. For example, inside collect client information, the tasks might be send welcome email with intake form assigned to account manager due day 1. Follow up if not completed, assigned to assistant due day 2. This breakdown turns a vague workflow into something repeatable. Step 3. Document the process. Literally open a doc or SOP tool and outline the steps like you're explaining it to someone doing it for the first time. For setup internal tools, your documented process might look like create Slack channel named after the client. Add the project manager and assign team members. Set up Google Drive folder using the agency template. Share folder access with the client and internal team. That's it. Don't aim for perfection, aim for clarity. Step 4. Assign ownership. Here's where most businesses drop the ball. If everyone owns a process, then no one owns it. For each process, assign a clear owner. In our onboarding system, the account manager might own the entire onboarding flow. Other team members help, but the account manager is responsible for making sure nothing slips. Ownership brings accountability, and accountability brings consistency. Step 5, create a rhythm for reviewing and updating, because what works now might break in 3 months. That's normal. So systemizing your business isn't a one-time project, it's a rhythm. Set a schedule once a month or once a quarter to review your systems. Ask, what's broken, what's outdated, what needs to be optimized, and get feedback from your team. They're the ones in the trenches. Step 6, delegate and step back. Once it's documented and assigned, you can step away. Instead of doing, you're now delegating. You're coaching, improving, and leading, not executing every little task. That's how you start getting your time back and building a business that scales. And as a final bonus step, use the right tools. Now, you could document all of this in Google Docs. It works until it doesn't. When your team grows, you need something more powerful. You need structure, permissions, version history, task assignment, real-time updates. That's where a proper SOP platform comes in. And if you're wondering which tool to use, we made a full video breaking down how to choose the right SOP software for your business. Our card should be popping up right now. Check it out when you're done with this one. If there's anything you need to take away from this video, it's this. If your business feels stuck, the answer isn't more effort. It's not more hustles, it's systems. And once you start building them, everything gets easier. If you want a tool that helps you create and manage those systems, SweetProcess is what we use. It makes documenting and improving your business ridiculously simple. You can start a free trial with the link in the description. No credit card to cancel anytime. If this video helped bring clarity, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more. And if you want to keep building a business that scales, watch the next video on your screen. I'll see you there.